Hi friends! Welcome back to yet another video. In this video tutorial, I will gonna show you how to rename software distribution folder in Windows 10 and 11. Press Windows key plus or key from keyboard to open Run. And then type services.msc. Now click on OK button. In the Services list, search for Windows Update. Right-click on it. And go to the Properties. Choose Startup Type to disable from the drop-down menu. Now the Windows Update service is disabled. Click on Apply. And then click on OK button. Let's go and rename the software distribution folder. Open this PC. Navigate to C drive. And then open Windows folder. And find the software distribution folder. Rename folder to SoftwareDistribution.OLD. Click on Continue button. Once successfully renaming the software distribution folder. Now restart your computer. Once you do that, go and re-enable the Windows Update service. Once again navigate to Services and find Windows Update. And inside Properties, change from Disabled to Manual. Click on Apply. And then click on OK button. Restart your computer once again.
Please subscribe this channel, like and share this video.